Hi everyone, I'm Richard Dore, CEO at Proteus Leadership. I'm very excited to tell you about our Presenting With Confidence Masterclass, a face-to-face workshop I'm personally facilitating across Australia. Can I say up front, your ability to present well will make or break your success. Every time you speak, your leadership credibility is on the line. After 30 plus years of delivering leadership training, I've learnt that confident presenting isn't something you're born with, it's a skill, both an art and a science, one you can learn, refine and master. I've presented workshops, keynotes, boardrooms, team briefings, one-on-ones, even tough change conversations. And what I know for sure is this: intentional preparation and the tools we use matter. One of the most powerful shifts we make in this masterclass is flipping the fear of public speaking into clarity and confidence, even excitement. Because it's not about being perfect, it's about being purposeful and engaging. In fact, let me share a quick story. Before joining Proteus in 1999, I fell in love with presenting. I realised that public speaking wasn't just a nice to have skill, it was the game changer. But I was terrified of standing in front of a crowd. At the time, I was finishing a Bachelor of Adult Education and throwing myself into every chance to present. But it was attending Des Penny's Presenting With Confidence workshop, the Proteus founder and creator of the social model, that changed everything. It gave me the structure, tools, and most importantly, the competence to stand up and deliver with impact. Now in our highly distracted digital world, it's harder than ever to make messages stick and ideas heard. So in this workshop, I'll decode that same social structure, a practical, proven structure that helps your messages land. We'll explore storytelling, stage presence, and using body language that's not just confidence, but it's going to be congruent. We'll also cover virtual presenting, how to own the screen and connect even when you're not in the room. And yes, I'll show you how to handle hostile or indifferent audiences, because those moments matter too. So join me for this powerful masterclass. It might just change the way you communicate forever. Visit proteusleadership.com to find out more and to register into this masterclass. I would love to see you and your team there.